I think we are not looking to think all those, to be honest. Just we are looking what we have to do tomorrow. And we have done that in our league matches. We just need to go there and express ourselves. And we have done well in batting, bowling and fielding. So now we have 3 games to go. And you can't take lightly Bangladesh. They have done well against India, especially in ICC Trophy. And we lost against them in 2007. At the same time, we lost against them in Asia Cup. So a lot of cricketers, they've been playing in IPL. At the same time, they had a big tournament in Bangladesh, BPL. So they know how to play one-day cricket now. So we need to know our strength. We need to just go there and express ourselves. I think all the games in World Cup, when you're playing quarter-final, it's very important. All the matches gonna be in pressure situation. We need to just go there and play into what we have in the dressing room. We can't just think what they have. We have played a lot of matches against them. We just need to play positive cricket. Need to do proper process in bowling, batting, and fielding. And I think whoever do well in knockout stages definitely is the team going to win the World Cup. So I think it's gonna start. Main World Cup gonna start tomorrow for us. No, he's been getting, like I said earlier, he scored 100. He scored runs against West Indies in Perth. Then he scored brilliant 85 not out against Zimbabwe. So I think that the good thing we every batsman tested in last 6 games. So if Shikhar is not there, Rohit is batting well, then Virat is not there, then Ajinkya is there, then MS and myself, and still I think we have done the homework. Now we just need to play good cricket in quarterfinals. I think it depends on coach and captain what they are asking me to do. We always had a lot of meetings before the main games, what sort of a bowling attack they have, and what sort of a batting I have to do with talent rest. At the same time, if I'm batting number 4, I need to just see before the batting power play. I need to just spend more time at the wicket so I can play my strokes later on. So I think I've done that in really well in the last couple of years. So whatever team needs me to do it, I need to prepare myself, because end of the day when Team India wins, that's more important than your 4, 5, 6, whatever it is. You need to just give your best shot, whether you're playing 4, 5, 6, wherever you want to play. You just need to play yourself. I've improved as a player. I've learned a lot from MS, Yuvraj Singh, and especially with CAF. We also 4, 5, 6. I played a lot of matches with them. So at the same time, I knew what sort of a batting I need to do it in one-day cricket. So I played a lot of matches down the order, then up the order. So I think I've become more mature after 2011. Didn't have much time to play in 2011. Played all the crucial game, quarter-final, semi-final, final. So I think after that we won Champions Trophy in England. So then became a number 1 in one day, then test matches. So a lot of journey has been done. We as a team, I think we have done really well in all departments. If you look at last 6 games, we took 60 wickets, and medium pacer, fast bowlers, they've been doing a lot of disciplined work. They have a very good process with Bharat sir and Sanjay Bangar, and Ravi Shastri has been doing a lot of meetings with them. So I think that credit goes to all the staff. They've been doing great job for us. And when it comes to ICC Champions Trophy, you need to just, the World Cup, you need to just play yourself and look to believe yourself. You can win it from any situation. We're not thinking that, to be honest. I think just wanted to congratulate them. They all qualified for the quarter-final, and they have done well. Like I said earlier, I think they have an important team. India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka and Bangladesh, all 4 of us from Asia, we qualify for the World Cup. So earlier everyone was talking about this new rule, new bowl. They don't have a all-rounders in such Australia and New Zealand condition. And now you see 4 of us, we are in the quarterfinals. So I think it's good to see that, to be honest. So we just need to play our strength. And we're not thinking what they have, what they don't have. We just need to play 20 balls. We need to just have a partnership. We need to just bowl in a good areas. Whoever comes, we need to play really good cricket tomorrow. We played test matches here. Then we played against Australia, then South Africa. So we've been spending a lot of time in Australia for the last 4.5 months now. So it's like we used to the condition more than other teams. So we need to just go there and play positive cricket. I'm not thinking what to do tomorrow. We are familiar to this condition. We had a lot of practice in the nets. We played so many games in Melbourne, so we just need to play good cricket. That's it. Keep it very simple. We need to be more disciplined. Like you mentioned, Ireland was very top. They played really well. At the same time, Bangladesh, they done well against England and other teams. So we just need to bowl well. Need to feel the energy in the game. Feel yourself. Be positive. Pumped up for the quarterfinal games. I think 2050 World Cup, we have done really well in last 6 games. Now quarterfinal stages, we need to you don't have much time for error now. You just need to do everything right, whether you're bowling, batting or fielding. I think I'm glad it happened in against Zimbabwe. So got enough overs to settle myself. When team needed me the most, when you deliver, it's the best feeling. But at the same time, I got lucky. I got I was batting with MS. He was telling me just need to be focused. What you've been doing for the last so many years, just need to be calm for yourself. Whenever you get the ball in your rest, you can play your strokes. But I think I really loved all those precious situations. I have done that in past, but yeah, that game was I got plenty of overs to chase those targets. So I was very happy to win that game for my team India. So I think now we have done all the homework in batting department. Whether we are chasing, whether we are defending, we need to just go there and express ourselves. I think we all are looking forward to that. They have three fast bowlers. Tuskin is there. He has bowled well. Then they have Rubal. Then they have Mashrafi Murtaza. They all have experienced bowler. The Shaki has been done well in IPL and BPL, and he's into top 10 ICC ODI ranking. So I think it's important to just look at yourself and look to be positive all the time. You can't just think about them what they have, what they're not. So you just need to play positive cricket tomorrow.